Hey everyone! Are you dreaming of an amazing New Year's Eve? Well, Bangkok is the perfect place to be. Imagine this: awesome fireworks exploding over the Chao Phraya River, exciting performances by famous people like Lisa from Blackpink at ICONSIAM, and a huge party at CentralWorld. From the colorful streets of Chinatown celebrating Chinese New Year, to the fancy parties at Siam Paragon, Bangkok has something for everyone. It's a mix of different cultures, tons of fun, and pure magic. Come join millions of people from Bangkok and all over the world as they celebrate together. With super cool countdowns, amazing fireworks, and a party spirit that's out of this world, Bangkok is the best place to be for New Year's. Ready for an exciting trip? Pack your bags and celebrate the start of 2025 in Bangkok, especially for our friends in Cairo. We'd love to see you there. See you in Bangkok.